This is a job. You work a job of money to afford things. There's always someone who's higher up that makes more money. But it's not just you, there's others. You all work together for this higher up. Higher ups abuse their power. I'm just one, and I'm here to stop this cycle.
Thank you everyone for arriving at the party. This party will celebrate the greatest of us. Cheers to the greatest. Cheers to us. Let's party!
Why are we doing this again?
Because we don't want water putting out the fires from the explosion. Good luck. Before we do this, I have something to say. Look at us, man. We're here at rock bottom. Water rich get to live this glorious life. So we resort to this life. Glory be to the green bill. It's the reason humanity is this way. And we're doomed.
Bros,
Yes, sir?
do you think humanity is doomed?
Well, if you do ask, I suppose it is.
Bros, what were my parents like?
Your parents were very noble people. They never had time for you because they wanted to make sure that you were financially prepared for the trials of life. They wanted you to be ready to face this long journey of human guile. They wanted you to be ready, Crinkle.
Very well then. All hail the Green Bill.